Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I will be making prawns karahi. Usually this prawns karahi is made very rare. Usually people make karahi with chicken. So today I'm going to make something different. As you know that the recipes that I bring, they are quite easy for the people who is actually learning to cook. So prawns karahi is going to give a very good combination in your food. So the ingredients that we'll be using for this recipe is prawns, green chilies, adrak lasan paste, salt, and to karahi masala, tomatoes. A lot of tomatoes will be used. I took 3 tomatoes, big size tomatoes, and oil. The quantity and everything I have mentioned in the description box so you can see it. So guys, before I begin with this video, I would like to request all my viewers who are watching this video to please subscribe to my channel, because people, I know that you all are watching my video but you're not subscribing to it. So kindly please subscribe to my channel so that in future you can get more and more videos like this. So let's begin. Add oil. Adrak lasan paste, prawns, mix it well, mix it well, add tomatoes, mix it well, guys. Add karahi masala, salt to it, mix it well, you have to keep it at least for 10 minutes for tomatoes and prawns to get cooked. Okay guys, add green chilies. So guys, you can see that my prawns karahi is ready. So let's dish it out. Okay guys, you can see that my prawns karahi is ready to eat. So guys, you can eat this prawns karahi with naan, with chapati, or with rice. It's entirely up to you. So guys, if you like this video, so kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that in future you can get more and more videos like this. So guys, enjoy this and have a nice day. Bye bye.